Today I'm going to be showing you how to shoot a basketball. Alright, there's my basketball hoop. And I'm going to sit down my camera. And oh, sorry. There. It's purple. It's my sister's. Alright, so I'm going to be telling you how to shoot a basketball. Alright, if you can see the square, you always got to, if you're shooting from this angle, right here, like on the side, you're always going to have to shoot right on the edge of the square, whatever way. Like this there. It's easier to make it. And you just want to shoot straight. Got it right in there. Now, I'm right over here and on the edge of the square. See? Now, I'm going to make it in without touching the rim. Run into it. Well, that's it for today.